let's review example 3 here. On example 3, we got this box. It has 35 red marbles and 120 marbles of other colors. Isaac chooses one of the marbles without looking. What's the probability he does not choose red? So in other words, I want to find the probability of not being red. Well, the probability of not being red is the 1 minus the probability of being red. So I'm going to say 1 minus, well, the probability of being red, there are 35 red marbles out of 155 marbles. 155 because there's 35 red and 120 others, so that's a total of 155. So let's reduce that. I notice what goes in, 5 goes into both of them, doesn't it? So if I take 35 divided by 5, I get 7. 155 divided by 5 is 31. And then remember, to reduce a fraction or to subtract fractions, you need a common denominator. So 1 I'm going to write with the denominator 31. So 31 minus 7 is 24 over 31. And if you're thinking, is there an easy way to do this? Well, with 2 of them there is. In fact, the probability of not red is the same thing as the probability of an other marble, isn't it? Which would be 120 over 155. And then if I notice 5 goes into both of those, and 120 divided by 5, I think it's 24, isn't it? Now the other thing, 24 over 31 is not a common fraction. So I would think you might want to write this as a decimal or a percent. So you could write it as 0.77 or 77%. I don't care which one you do. If it's a common fraction like 3/4, that's easy to visualize. But 24 to 31 isn't so easy to visualize. So I think it's either on that one, it might be easier to put it as a decimal.